Yan. Okay, smile. What is your name? How old are you, Mika? 4 years old. Okay, face on your right. Harap ka doon. Okay, back to the center, please. Center, baby. Harap, balik ka dun sa gitna. Sige pa. Yan. Okay, smile ka lang. Okay, harap ka naman sa kabilang side. Harap ka na sa akin. Marunong ka ba mag-sing? Kanta? You know how to sing? What are you going to sing? Let it go. Can you sing now? Sing. Okay. Okay. Sige, when I say action, gusto ko makita surprise. Sabihin mo lang, wow, hamburger! Okay, can you do it again? More surprise face, Mika. Action! Surprise! Wow! Pretend ka nga you're eating the burger. Say, so yummy! Can you do it again? Action! Okay, can you see your smile?